Good morning, welcome everyone. Good evening, welcome chat, welcome great community. How you doing on a happy Tuesday time? How you doing out there? Thank you so much for joining, guys. Good morning. What's up, chat? How do you feel today? How do you navigate the markets? $150,000 for the giveaways. You got to sign up pretty quickly. Let me just adjust the promotional message. So we've got 150 grand. Let's put it that way. So look at that one, guys. What's happening out here in the markets? We're continuously getting rejected by the daily opening 740s. We have a low time frame supply there. I'm feeling great as usual, having a great time with a lot of fun. Let me just go ahead and share the presentation pretty much with all the community members on any group. Make sure you do the same, guys. Invite people on stream. And all the trading groups, pretty much all your friends, bring them all. We got a lot to share and a lot to discuss. And keep in mind, 150 grand today, but tomorrow minimum $200,000 in the giveaways. Tomorrow, for the last day of the year. Tomorrow we're streaming. Good morning, good evening. Thank you guys for joining. Let's go. It's an interesting context here where the dynamic swing entered volume weighted average price is holding the line. It's the red line. It's holding the price action. We don't cross that for the moment, but I'm really questioning the 740s. So I'm really questioning the 740s, which is something we might just clear right now. 740 speaks for the daily opening. Good job, buddy. Trader King, congratulations for that. Bring it down to the payout. Yep. Good morning from Vietnam. Great to see you. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video. We need a lot of them in order to start the giveaways a little later. And there's going to be a bunch of fun today for sure. Another rejection on 740s. Bunch of people got trapped. Bunch of people got trapped above. So another thing, guys, this is an important account of Lucid Flex. This one right there. The one you're watching. A little bit different. We're having 4 accounts to share today. A little bit different. Well, look at that Lucid Flex account here. On 24th, we started the second cycle. So we got 3 days for the 24th, 26th, and 29th. This is a 150k Lucid Flex funded stage. After the first 5 days, we got paid. On 23rd, we got paid. Here. 24th, 26th, 29th. If I do today 250, right? Because that's the minimum. 250 tomorrow as well. I'll take another big fat payout. And that means from the 16th to the last day of the year, we're taking 2 big fat payouts on the Lucid Flex accounts. And that's just insane. This accounts, as soon as you make them funded, it's a gold mine where you start printing money. Right, we're speaking about a Lucid Flex here. The best accounts people buy, and we're also speaking about them, are the 50K and the other one, the 150K. Right? And the interesting part is that once you are funded, this is no consistency and no target on the funded stage. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you on board. I'm gonna turn on my Quant Tower as well and see what we can do there, because we got them on Quant Tower. This is a YRM account. Thank you guys so much for joining. Make sure to like the video and keep in touch for the Discord. You got to be part of our Discord, our lovely, great community out there. Yes. 20% consistency for the YRM accounts that are instant funded. How do you feel today, guys? We got a good reaction from the daily volume weighted average price, holding the price section on 725, and probably we're trying to attack the 50s, which, by the way, of course, is not a big prediction from here. Keeping an eye on the gold, which is running. And I think it's going to continue in the first quarter 2026. We've got two scenarios on my mind. It's working. I'm exactly on the YRM account and I'm connected to it. So let me see, because over here we have a couple. This account, for example, has 2 days already in the second cycle. So I would go for the third day. And I'd like to make the minimum today as well. I'd like to do the minimum. I don't want to make more than the minimum, guys. Which is minimum $150 per day for the YRM. It's just crazy. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's get to that 35. $220 on my profit. He obviously reshored that move. And it's not a big deal touching that little green line, which means about $200 for me. There you go, 172 pure profit. We're touching the first target of the day. That's enough. That's enough. $150 is your target here. Boom. We're getting ready for the New Year's Eve with all the fireworks bringing together. Celebration time. Celebration time. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. That's 172. I'm not pushing it more. It was clear for me that on the way we gotta retrace. So We've got good money there. We're going to keep it around the 200 bucks a day on this account for the moment. Yeah, you're speaking about Volumetrica, which is great, guys. Volumetrica. Keep in mind for the YRM, there is a day and 14 hours for the special holidays promotion. With my code, the 50K comes down to the 40 bucks. But the thing is, once this promotion of the holidays expire, which is going to expire in 2025, right? Prices are not going to resume to the previous price levels. They will have an upgrade, and the prices will increase very likely above $60 for the 50K account. Right, so now you can accumulate accounts, keep them on pause, trade them. You either pass or fail. If you pass, you can keep them on pause. You can trade unlimited accounts. You can do copy trader. You have inside here a copy trader on Volumetrica. And that works perfectly, guys. I've did the same. Let me share with you how many accounts I have. I passed the evaluations here. Look at that. I got a few, right? Those evaluations have been passed. We made the right money. This one's here. And that's it. Once I no longer have a funded account, I'm just going to drop support a chat and they will activate it for me. Good morning. Good morning, Fred. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got our first target today, 170 bucks. Enough is enough. Going to the next account. And by the way, today I'm going to film a video and I'm going to publish the video, guys. Today I will be filming a video on my channel and I'm going to publish it. Testing out a little long here, and I'm not going to need more than 150 bucks. I will not need more than 150 bucks. Let's see what we can get. Thank you, chat, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. And sign up for the giveaways. Do not forget on that. We're getting another wick here. Let's see if the buying pressure steps in around the 30s again. Otherwise, I'm going to get out. Let's see. We have a daily. It's actually the weekly VWAP here. This is the first day, second cycle of this account. Oh, pretty aggressive on that one. I'm going to cut it away. Because this is going ugly. We're touching the red line here. It's a good point for me to test out an entry.
Order filled.
On our Ignite account for the top 1 futures.
Order filled.
And I'd like to long my Lucid Flex on Quantower as well. Thinking about this level here, it gives a minimal rejection, the red line once again. Let's see. Pretty tempting. Otherwise, I'm going to cut it away.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that's good to hear. I'm gonna cut it away if needed. Having no reaction for the moment on the line. That's been with us for 6 hours. That line been with us for 6 hours. The price section sits around 720s for that one. We also longed the Flex account. We also longed our Flex account. Yesterday we were down on this one like 1,500. Fully recovered and got to the target needed. Come on, guys. Let's just hit that target over there. 721 is my target. For the Flex accounts. Give me that 3 points. We were so close there. 2 points needed. This is the time our strength needs to appear. Otherwise, the risk for a continuation is there, so I'm not going to be too comfortable with that. Not even a big deal. Come on. Come on. It's not bad. We're not moving break even yet. We're too tight here to do it. $730s. Got a bit rejected here. We got to fight back. Otherwise, we'll have to cut something soon. If the 1 minute is weak. 730s.
Order filled. There's an interesting point here around the 700s. Yesterday we were down on this one 1,500. We have DC'd in our positions pretty much. Multiple accounts. This is a previous support, previous demand zone.
700s. Not looking that exciting. Not looking that exciting. We're just gonna cut it away. What a drop. Look at that one. Yeah. We'll have to cut it away. And this is going to be day number 4 here. I mean, our entry is just 10 points away. But it's still not that comfortable holding through.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Pretty interesting spot here for the 1 minute to consolidate and not allow the momentum to continue. We'll see that. We're 10 points away from the entry. We're about to hit a target here on our top 1 futures. It's the advantage of trading micros. Target has been hit, $500 exactly as needed here. We don't need more on this one. We've got a DCA running on this YRM account. $712 on my exit here, $720 profit. We'll see if we get it. Not an issue. We're not panicking. And we're not selling something we are not supposed to sell and exit something I don't want to exit. Each account have specific limits, targets, stop losses. It's different on each prop firm, each account, each way we manage. That was a pretty deep, almost 10 points retracement on that previous red candle. I would not need it. Not too excited about that one. Not too excited about that one. I hope he saw the payments we got in the last 7 days, 4 accounts we took to the payout stage. I hope he's able to see that and confirm that. And also something very interesting we talked about yesterday, guys. A $2,000 drawdown account that we traded for 4 months. Have not lost it. With a max profit of 500 bucks we made in a day. Because that's where I set the target. So little by little, very, very consistent on those Ignite accounts that we've got. Obviously, this is not that exciting. But this is 10 minis. This is not micros. This is 10 minis. Yeah. Someone is trying to lecture us. Which is very interesting. We got ways, the way things are working. We got community members that have been following us for many, many months. And this guy joined yesterday on the channel and is trying to holding a lecture. Where do you see the number of days with a target reached? You can see the number of days you've traded on volumetric dashboard area. Let me share with you. Volumetric dashboard area for the YRM. You want to get to your table here. You want to click on the table here. And then you take this one to the right side and you will see the net PNL. So then you can count your days. Minimum 150 bucks each day. Look at that one, guys. We're ready for 2026 Wimbledon. Let's just get back into our position here and see what's happening for this account. It's not looking bad. We're about to hit a target. Yeah, 10 days of 150 bucks each on YRM. That's all you need, guys. Not trading my Ticktick trader account. There is no reason to do it. For me, there is no reason at the moment to do it. And the target has been hit, guys. 600 bucks. Beautiful, right? Let's just walk into the other trade. That was a little bit down. And it's getting rejected once again here. What a silly price action. What a silly price action. The great part is we hit the target on the YRM. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. We've got a stop loss hit on YRM and 2 targets. If we get down 10 points from my entry, I'm not scared. Especially if I have a type of trading that is risky. We were falling and I've been DCing into a sector that could look like a possible knife catch. I don't like this rejection once again. We should have pushed higher. So the double top here on the 1 minute is not comfortable for the eye. Could give us today's low. If 700s is gone, you take this one below 684. Boom. Yeah. $40 is, thank you so much, buddy. Wonderful. Exactly. $40 today, and then in 2 days it's going to be very likely above 60. Very likely. That's what I've been told, so we will see, guys. That 50k challenge. However, a lot of the people enjoy the instant funding. You take the account, you do 10 days of minimum $150 and you request your payout. There is no target, like 5% or 6%. There is no target. We got 2 candlesticks that had a minimal rejection here. And the current one is denying that. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. You know, we've recovered yesterday from a $1,500 loss here. But at the same time, look at that one, guys. You want to try again the link. I see a lot of the people joined. Yeah, this is very stubborn. A lot of the people have joined. We have joined already 140 on the giveaway. 140. $140 guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Nah. This is the moment of truth.
Order filled.
You reject here. Because that's a pretty big hit. And I gotta get out. This is the place. You swept the liquidity below. From an interesting structure we had. Right? So you either react or I'm out. The great part about this accounts, they have no consistency on the funded stage with the flex. And that means I can leave a winner in a good day and make me 3 grand, which is the way it was. So far. Close to 4 grand. Welcome. Great to see you, Twister. Great to see you back. Yeah, no consistency, no target on the funded stage for the Lucid Flex accounts. So you have no consistency, which is why we've let our winners produce 3,000. The liquidity swept here. We got in a long on this one too, with the idea of pulling it back. This is basically the place all the people that got into a long here set the stop losses, right? So as soon as that liquidity has been swept, stop losses got triggered, someone bought it up. If the pressure is enough, if the sizing is good, that has been accumulated here, the price action is going back up. If the pressure is not sufficient and the sizing is not sufficient, it's not going to get back up. But theoretically and from the price action standpoint, this is having a decent chance to hold. A decent chance. I'm not sure if it's sufficient. We'll see. Exactly. Flex is the big deal, guys. Flex is the big deal. Yep. Let's go, guys. Come on. Can we make it hold around this level? Or maybe. I gotta get out. And I'm not gonna enjoy that flat opening coming out in 5 minutes with the hourly. I'd love to see the price action a little higher before that opening comes through. Could get a couple of points with that one, but I'd like to see it already above 700s. Which is certainly not a big deal from here, guys. We're a little bit overexposed on my Flex account. With that 10 minis playing games on a low volume situation. But that's a good lesson for you guys that are watching not to do the same. Because that's too much exposure during a such day. So no consistency is not a disadvantage. No consistency is an advantage. And it's quite interesting because the prop firms that are utilizing consistency will always present you the existence of consistency as your advantage by making you manage your trades. You don't have to manage your trades by cutting your profits. That's not a correct decision. Unless you just care about the payout and that's it, right? Consistency, bringing the account to the payout, and that's it. So when you speak about a prop firms, some people, like the majority of people, desire that. They have that specific goal. Let me just bring the accounts to payout, let me make money, and that's it. Which is obviously completely correct, completely right. But if you like to take your journey into a personal trading sector, into a live trading stage, it's a little bit different there when you're not paying for an account, you know, $200 or $300 and you get a $6,000 or $4,000 drawdown, or, you know, $40, $2,000 drawdown. When you're not doing that and you're putting $5,000 in the account and you got to trade that, it's a little bit different, guys. But we're moving, right? We're about to touch. I don't need
Order
that much.
filled.
Oops. I don't need $700. I don't need $700, guys. Yeah, Lucid Flex 5 accounts is a massive advantage. We touched the target here. And we're looking a little more interesting on this side too. Flex is the big deal for 2026, including for the YRM. Great accounts. You are needing $150 per day for 10 days and you're good to go. It's just wild. We're not getting scared, guys, holding through this. We're not shitting through the pants, but we gotta lose $200 from here, which means I'm gonna short the markets.
Order filled.
I gotta lose $200. I don't need that much. So I'm gonna lose that 177. I'm gonna lose that money. I don't need that. We made too much here. We only need 500. Let's not forget about the fireworks. We had a couple of great trades. We had a couple of great runners without fireworks because we were down on the flex for the coin tower. And I didn't want to celebrate by having a trade on minus 2 grand, but this is looking a lot better. So 712 for the exit here. Let's not underestimate the power of trading by listening to opinions and comments. Come on. This is an interesting spot for me to have a partial exit and taking a minimal loss. I'm telling you guys. I just accepted a partial loss there. I sold 2 contracts out of 10. I sold 2 more. So we're having 6 minis. I'll put an exit limit order right there. And another exit limit order over there, guys. Come on. Gotta sell something there.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. A single contract has been... I'm fully out. Look at that one. 230 bucks loss. There you go. Celebration time. 230 bucks loss. We were down 3,800. Someone asked me what's my max loss limit. I said 4,000. Boom. Boom. Come on. You gotta stay calm. You gotta know your bread and butter. And you gotta trade. I don't know what Trade-of-It because I'm not a Trade-of-It user. I'm with Quantower, even with Lucid. Yeah, it was not easy. So all the stop losses, I'm trying not to set them financially. I'm trying to set the stop losses based on the charts. If I still have a great chance, we talked about the liquidity swap here. By the way, we just, got to the target here and having that loss, putting it back to the 500 as much as it's needed. So we talked about that liquidity swap, right? We talked about it. And that's exactly what happened. It's not possible to exit here in that scenario. When you expose the possible outcome, that's exactly what happened. I don't think so, Hollywood. Look at that. Let's have a look into the numbers. We have an account here that we started, and this is an example. Look at the values at the top. The profit target basically 200 bucks is obviously a target that I can actually extend. If I can, I can leave a runner and it makes a lot more. So the comparison between 4,000 and 200 profit is just in your mind. It's not the rule I've got to go with. This is a 50K account. We're trading it for 4 months. We had a $2,000 max loss at the beginning. We had a target of 500 bucks. We put it into 8 grand profit from 500 to 500. And a negative ratio, as you guys call it. My daily loss is 1,000. My target is always 500. So I have a ratio 1,000 loss as a daily loss, or the target of 500. We got 8,000 bucks in profit from these things, which kind of shows the real consistency. Let's get back to our flexes and see how we can go around it. "30 minutes and the market opens." Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, and make sure you gotta... And here's the account, basically. We traded right now on Tradeovate. So we don't always go $200 as a target. We leave winners. Trading is a little bit different than the theory itself, where you consider one way always correct and the other way always wrong. It's not like that. There is not a single way always functioning and a single way always being wrong. That single way you consider being wrong works at certain moments during certain contexts of the market. So certain strategies that some people always consider it as a untouchable wrong desires do function during specific conditions. It's a little bit more complex, right? It's not that mechanical thinking. There's a little more to that. That's an interesting 1 minute reaction. Could lead into a stronger impulse. Couple of points. Buongiorno. Exactly, like weather. We do know that things that worked yesterday can easily stop working at any moment. Or things that didn't work yesterday and we consider them bad approaches, economically bad approaches, risk management approaches and all that stuff could actually start working by tomorrow. Exactly. The binary plan, mechanical, algorithmically like a robot, is not working. Not Italian, but I spent a lot of the time in Italy. We're gonna cut this away. We spent a lot of the time in Italy. I have a property in Italy in Capri Island. We've DC'd into the scandal. Let's see what we get out of it. If it holds, could be marking for a nice runner. Good morning, welcome guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Otherwise, we're not doing the giveaways. And thank you so much. We do have some more flexes. Actually, 4 flexes. We've got them funded. We made that target $9,000 because it's 6% for the 150k. We trade 6% is 9 grand for the challenge phase. Not bad. Not bad on your language side. Oh. Come on, buddy. We're DCing one more time here. Lead us into a beautiful winner on a 4 minis. We're always trading Nasdaq. Always trading Nasdaq. We don't trade gold. On the stream, this is what we do. The plan for today is always look into the micro picture. And trying to scalp. The plan is to go with a scalp. Last 7 days we've cashed out 4 payouts, which are around 2,500 on average, which is like 10 grand totally. We're gonna make a video about that one today and post. Beautiful. You want to visit Capri and Anna Capri. Absolutely mandatory. Absolutely. It's just wild. Exactly. Well, at the end of the day, with the prop firms, it's a little bit different, guys. Because the strategies you apply on the prop firms can be different than the strategies you apply on a personal account. So what works here certainly might not work on a personal account. The way you trade here is different than the way you trade on a personal account. The prop firms are different, guys. We also do copy trading, yes. I think the prop firm space, because of the drawdown you're receiving at a less cost, allows you a different model of trading too. Well, there's too much actually, too much tourism. I don't like this rejection, but let's see what's gonna be with it. Was that liquidity everything? Or do we fight back soon? There's too much tourism. Yet it's a pretty valuable place for real estate. It's a pretty valuable place for the economy. And it's different. Haven't touched my Ethereum play. Haven't touched it. It's in the same spot, basically. I'm holding it. I think the crypto space is going to all-time high in 2026. So I'm not touching it yet. I'm leaving it there. I think BTC will all-time high, and I also think Ethereum will all-time high too. I don't know about the other ones, but that's my perspective for 2026. We're now accumulating. And at some point, when you blink, it's running. Well, look at that one, guys. Let's just sell a little contract here. Sell another one. And get, for the moment, out of this 166 profit. You know what? I've cut my profit early. But we were down almost 4 grand. Close to my daily loss. Boom. And we're up $166. And this is a huge lesson. A huge lesson, guys, on the stream. A huge lesson out there. This is going to continue higher very likely. And I've cut it. I've cut it for an emotional state for me. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. No more investing for the moment there. No more. But I did invest it in the past. I bought a property, I think, around 2016. Interesting. I like to get something in Florence. In Florenza. Come on, guys. This is looking beautiful, right? And the most beautiful thing is the way we talked about when we were here. Here, you guys remember on the stream we talked about how they swept the liquidity at this point, and if they swept enough, it's gonna run back from here for sure. We saw the price action here. We saw the model behind. And the conclusion is there. Absolutely amazing city, historically, architecture, culturally. Quality people there. And those are major things. And I've been there a few times. So I've been tasting Florence. Yep. Good job, congratulations. 15 minutes and the market opens. We've got the Medici. And by the way, Savius is Italian, right? And it's basically giving you a 300k account at 280 bucks. It's 280 bucks for something that has a maximum drawdown of $12,000. All the best promotions and the current weekly roundup for the promotions, you see them on our Discord under the sales and promotion tabs right there. That's the place, guys. Discord, sales and promotion tabs, we're updating that. I'm not Italian. Not in the water. That's a different one. That's a different one, buddy. $12,000 drawdown. Yeah, here's the link, guys. You gotta be signed up if you want the offer we have negotiated. Venice or Venezia? Venezia or Venice? We got our target here, 600. Not gonna complain. We got two targets here. This account 533. This account 517. We had a stop loss hit here, 1,000. We had a stop loss hit on YRM2. We got two targets out of the 3 funded accounts and a stop loss. 166 made here on the flex. I need 150 bucks. Instant Prime is much better. Firenze. Beautiful. So listen up, guys. Instant Prime, from my standpoint, is much better. Why? Take the account, trade for 10 days, minimum 150 bucks, and forget about the challenge. But at the same time, we got to consider the prices for the YRM. No target. You got no target on the funded stage, but that's actually valid for all the accounts. Now, the good deal is the instant funded is 50% with my code. I went out and I negotiated as we usually do. I'll say, well, this is what my community wants. This is what I need from you guys. 50% off means 90 bucks extra discount. And that's $450 instead of $540. $90 per account is something. That's not money to underestimate, right? It's real money. It's not prop for money. When you're paying for an account, it's real money. So our community needs to go for the best prices existent. I don't know what we do here, guys, because we're touching a significant level. and I'm a little bit concerned. We've got the daily volume weighted average price. We didn't touch that exactly, but we were very, very near. Link for the giveaway here, guys. Yeah, very strange. Oh, that's crazy, Quantum. That's crazy. I got myself 5 accounts of Savius 300k. To go for a payout like that, it's just wild. Think about it, guys. It's $4,000. Like $3,960, something like that. 40 bucks short from 4,000. Times 5, you can do copy trading. That's, you know, a 20 grand payout. It's insane because you're paying 280 bucks times 5 if you want to go max accounts. And let me tell you, 280 times 5 is 1,400. Payout 20,000. There's so much edge between, right? So much edge between. It's just wild. Interesting spot here for a possible continuation. Let me see that, because I need another $100 or something like that. I wanted to share with you something we did on our Savius account, and it was on the live stream. We made 17 grand profit. Here's a Savius link. You gotta be signed up for my link to see the offer and utilize the code Scrambo. But you got it on Discord too. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're not holding here. I'm just leaving the boat. I've buckled up DC8. We've got 2 minis. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way, guys. Come on. If you fail breaking 22, I'll cut you away. There's no negotiation behind it. Come on. That's going to be an interesting point. It's stubborn. Could it be possible? But I'm not gonna ride it. I'll be out. If we break below here, I'm gonna be out. 100 bucks loss, that's it, and I'll be out. The stop loss has been put into, guys. The stop loss has been touched. We're still having $54 profit. But you see, I'm gonna short this here. 2 minutes short. We're not looking bad on that one. 2 minutes short. I'll look at that silly buying pressure that came in. Come on, guys. Down to 600. Not an easy job. Not an easy job. Yeah, I don't like the way the rejection stepped in here. Fully confirmed on the VWAP. Look at that one, guys. The next 5 minutes are not that bullish if we don't close this one powerful above 730. So we got to close this candle, which has less than 2 minutes, above 730s to go for a continuation. Otherwise, I'm just going to short. That's lovely. That's lovely. Opening along. Sorry. About to hit a target, guys. I think we hit a target. 297, yes. We hit a target 297. Look at that one. 297 net P&L profit from being down almost $4,000. There you go. Celebration times and momentum. Celebration times and momentum. Boom. That was insane. This is a Lucid Flex account where you can flex your muscles and advance to payouts without having a target, without having consistency on the funded stage. So we hit 297. It's dumping. Market makers are watching the live stream. They hear us. They always hear us. And look at that, guys. The results are already updated here. Look at that one. You know what? This is day number 4. Another day of $250. Another day of $250. And trust me, I'm not gonna leave 4 grand any more possible loss. I'll cut my loss at 1,000 if that comes first. Right? Because this is the first day in the second cycle, second day, and we got 2 more days here. We only need a single day of 250, and we go max payout, 3,000. And I'll have a loss of a maximum 1,000. If we get that, no worries. We have sufficient in the balance. Yeah, they say we're gambling, but it's a little bit different. There's not a big difference, right? We gotta do some jokes. Great. Market opens quite soon. We're down to 500s, but I fear, you know what I fear? I fear that today's low, 684. I'm fearing it. I don't think this is going to reverse at 700s. I think it's going lower. The question mark is, what is the final direction? The guy that was lecturing is no longer able to comment anything. We're gambling consistently, exactly. What's that purple line? The purple line is 200 EMA. Destiny. Destiny said the most important thing. Each trader got his own way of trading. This is the most important thing, guys. So what I'm trying to do here is make you understand that specific concept. Do not try to copy from me things, because you could get actually different results. And one of the things I've learned back in the day was not to look at any trader different. The baby is crying, you can hear it. They got in the office. They want to join the giveaways. Look at that one, guys. Less than 3 minutes to go. Right, so that's a very important lesson that you guys can learn here on the stream. Each trader is going for its own way. I'm trying to spin both. We're spinning them both together. Certainly lost many trades today and certainly daily. They do lose. She's just 2. So when you're 2 years old, you're losing a lot of the trades. Trust me, guys. Hollywood, look at that one. He is also having access. He's my financial guy. He also has access to my finances. Look at that one, the Hollywood guy. This is very interesting, guys, how life presents itself. Viewers on the stream know your finances. They have all the data. Even better than you sometimes. And much better than your wife, for sure. So we got it. Statistics. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. You know it better even than my wife. Hollywood. Good job. And the interesting part is how these guys only stay here for the giveaways. And then throw some comments like that. You got my tax income stats. Much better than me, right? Yes. A minute and the market opens. Exactly, Jonathan. I should have cut my loser trade that was close to 4 grand a little bit earlier. I should have done that. I should have done that for sure. It was not the greatest thing to leave it that deep, for sure, guys. It could stay open over the weekend. I think it's still under discussion. We're having the opening bell soon, guys. Boom. Careful with the opening, guys. Careful. Let me try to trade some flex accounts. We got a stop loss right there on break even. I'm out. $263 on this one. And that's enough, right? $263, guys. Target has been hit. It's $250. This is the first day, I think. Let me just verify on this account. It's the first day in the second cycle for this account, too. It's 260, guys, but let me verify. Because this is the first day, I think. Yes, it is the first day. Have a look into that one, guys. Let me share with you. It is the first day of the second cycle. You want to watch how the first cycle went. But I'm going to talk to you about more on the video I'm going to publish today. 2 days of 3,000 and then all the days minimum and you got paid the maximum. Today, the first day minimum, and I will do the minimum for the rest of the days too. But I'm going to film a little more and talk about it. So enough is enough here. And I'd like to trade another account too. This one, which is having no trades. I think we're pushing above. I think we break above that 735, but we'll see, guys. It's risky. It's a level that rejected me, but I still think we go higher. Let's see. This is a first day on the flex. It's funded. Lucid is 50% of your profits must come from trades you held minimum 5 seconds. So 50% of your profits must come from trades you held at least 5 seconds. Interesting situation here, guys. Can we force it? Can we force it above? Breaking that 40s? Otherwise, I'll cut you. We're a little bit aggressive on the sizing. Yeah, 730s. It's not working, probably. I just verify. It's not working for a moment. I think they lost connection. Let me just have a little long here too. On this one. This is another flex. And it's still a quite fresh. Come on, break that 30s. Do or die situation here, guys. What a lovely rejection. What a lovely rejection for the 1 minute. Allowing them to load up on the shorts. Let's see if we smash through or not. Because this is a lot of the time here to load up on shorts. If we break through the 30s, a lot of the trailing is going to come through, guys. A lot of it. Yeah, no connection. Looks like the server is down. Gotta make this candlestick. Stop loss right below here. We got stopped out on this one. And we're gonna put a stop loss over there too. We didn't broke out of 730s at that time, unfortunately. Let's see. What is left right there? Another rejection came in. Yeah. Probably we're gonna get stopped out here as well. Yes, for sure. Got stopped out too. Gotta control those losses, otherwise it's an issue with the current state of the market. Connection is lost for volumetrica, guys. Good, we're getting ready for the giveaways. We're getting ready, guys. We're getting ready. So everyone make sure to like the video. Market's gonna fight back and break that 730s today without problems for sure. It's just about the timing, of course. Look at that one. It's running back. Interesting. Yeah. Watching this one closely on the 5-minute. If we can actually adjust and put together a stronger rejection. Yeah, connection issues right there. Connection is down. I might do a little bit of I think it's gonna sweep the liquidity to the top side. The only thing is when. So that's gonna be to be discovered. Let's see. Is it already back? Connecting? Yep, it's already back for the YRM. Connection is back. It's running. We made a new low today. So I think it's interesting to see the reaction coming through. I think that's interesting. If we got that level holding and we just swept the low once again with the same strategy, making a new low here, this is running above 730s. If that was the whole short discussion, this is running about above 730s from here. Otherwise, we're not going to have a good time longing it today, from now. It's going to be as choppy as needed. To make them quit. You know, this is at a situation where things could get 30, 40 points at a blink of an eye. Yep. Look at that, 1 minute. Not looking dirty. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Our giveaway starts very soon, so you gotta like the video. Otherwise, we're not gonna organize this, basically. Let's go. We're missing about 60 likes. Come on, like the video, guys, and be subscribed. We just made a new low. And see that we swept it again and the reaction appears. So there is some buying pressure here. Cannot hide it. You swept the low and you're trying to push it back. That's the strategy you have usually on such days. Under holidays conditions. Markets enjoy sweeping levels and then reacting. Enjoys doing that. And that's what you get. And that's what you get. Let me test an entry here. DCing a little bit. There's not much. But I'd like to go for that $400 profit. Yes, you can withdraw Vortex. Correct. 10 days, $300, 3,000 totally, you can take your payout. Correct. Even though you just made 2% of the account size, you have actually touched the payout conditions, 20% consistency, and minimum 10 days of $150 each. We're buying, we're DCAing. Lovely price action, guys. Lovely. Another rejection there right below the 90s. Look at that huge accumulation. That's not a bad sign. I mean, price action is a little bit stubborn here. But it has a good chance once it releases. The energy is gonna fly. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video. The giveaways will start soon. Let's go. Yeah, you don't need 9 grand, which is the case for the majority of other prop firms. Like 6% is where your target is. Even with the flex, you buy the flex, you gotta pass the challenge of the flexes. And the flexes have their challenge on 6%. Come on. We're just sweeping the lows here and holding through on the 5 minutes for the moment. Very important in this candle to do something. I don't want to accelerate downwards. Yeah. We'll see. We're not afraid of it. Because we have $584 profit. We're DCing one more time. We just swept the low again. Oh, target has been hit. Beautiful movement. And we've got something cooking. We've got something cooking in the back end here. Making some decent profits, right? We've been DCing. We've got 10 minis. Sold something. We're sitting on 6 minis here. The other accounts are a little bit down. But this one looks much better. That was a nice liquidity move. You see, this is what happens during such days. Did not trade silver, no. Rules for the giveaway: you got to sign up the form, like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. Stop loss on break even, guys, here. Stop loss on break even here. Let me just leave this runner going above the 30s. I'm leaving it open, guys. This is a flex account. This is earlier we made 250 bucks. And I got into a DCA. And then we also have the accounts we made a loss. Earlier. So I'm trying to see how we could actually adjust that. Putting my take profit for this one around that level, 30s. I'm out of this one too. 135 profit. We eliminated all that loss. 377 profit. We eliminated all that loss. And then for this one, we have $6,000 profit here. Look at that one, guys. This is what it means to have no consistency and people telling us we're gambling. Sold 2 contracts, sold 2 more contracts. Having 2 contracts open, 6 grand profit. Tell me more, guys. What do we have to do? Come on. Look at that one. $6 grand profit onto this one. I'm actually fully out. 6,200. Look at that. What a lovely gambling session, guys. Oh my god. We actually recovered from those losses we had. Boom. Crazy, guys. Crazy. So let me tell you what happened today on the Flex accounts. We have 4 Flex accounts. 4. Funded. This one that you're watching right now with 297 net PNL. This one was down almost 4,000. Fully recovered and put it back on profit. The next one, we made less than 300 bucks. And then I DCA'd, rebought into, and now we're 6,200. This one's the second I traded today, basically, in the sequence. 6,200. It's just wild. Let me see if they updated that on my tracking on my dashboard for the Lucid. Let me just watch that. Yep. They updated. Oops, no pending bell. Sorry, guys. But they updated. For today, we've got 6,200 bucks. It's the first day in the second cycle. This was the first cycle, funded stage. This is the first day in the second cycle. Then we had a 1,700 loss that I closed here, accepted a loss today on the stream. And we eliminated and brought it back, 377 profit, as you can see. And then the next account was as well around 1,700 or 2,000 in loss. And we eliminated that loss and brought it to 135 profit. Yeah, these are funded accounts. We would need an extra 100 bucks here. You know, to have that 250 target, you know, for it to count a day, right? Oops, I think I'm on the wrong. Yeah, I'm trading the wrong. I did open on the wrong account. I gotta open up a trade here. Yeah, funded Flex accounts. We made that 9 grand by making 4,400 for 2 days. And then we made another $100 in the 3rd day. Giveaways will start very, very soon after I finish this trade. I just DC'd there. Let's see. That's all we need. We don't need more than that. We don't need more than that. Back into the 40s. It's not a dangerous level that I'm targeting. It actually starts being dangerous around the 45, so at 40s it's not dangerous. Stop loss on break even, not even having time to put it. See 373 profit here. It's over. All the 4 accounts, all the 4 on Lucid Flex that are funded 150k made profit today. Beautiful, guys. So let's just get ready for the giveaway. Let's just get ready, because this is nuts. We have $150,000 that we got to do today. Let's just get ready, guys. Yeah, that's not good, Amar. You gotta make sure you're capable delivering an implementation into what you're planning to follow the execution. Right, so we're getting ready, guys, for the giveaways. I'll give you a last minute to sign up. Last minute to sign up. Last minute to like the video. Be subscribed. And join my Discord. Absolutely mandatory to join. First giveaway. We'll have 2 accounts. Tap 1 futures both. $25,000. Sim Pro. And 25k Ignite. Both instant funded. In the first giveaway, we're gonna share 2 accounts. Nasdaq trading at 770s. Thank you so much, guys. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts, max discounts, pretty much everywhere. Right, so for the best 2 ranked, we're gonna give out this accounts. The first one will go with a Sim Pro, the second one will go with the Ignite. Let me think about the numbers. Make sure to like the video, don't forget about it, and watch the ratios and the number structures, what we're doing. We're gonna do 5 zeros. 2 number 2, 2 number 1, and 2 number 3. 2 number 3 and 2 number 7. Right? So once again, guys, listen up. You can start right now writing. 5 number 0, 5 zeros, and then 2 of number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 7. Right? 5 zeros, and then 2 of number 2, number 3, number 7, and number 1. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess other numbers than the ones that are listed. We're sharing 2 accounts in this one. If we have more than 100 winners, we're gonna have to do the second round basically with a duck race. We're gonna take the top 3 and do the second round. Made lovely money today on the Flex accounts. That's $6,000 profit. Made lovely money out there and hitting the targets everywhere. We got 2 stop losses today. 1 YRM, 1 Ignite, and Tap 1 Futures. But then 8 accounts hitting big targets. 2 stop losses that are not account losses. And 8 targets. That's the ratio we had today. Stop right there, no more guesses. Thank you guys. Stop right there, no more guesses. These are the numbers we've got. If you came in a little bit late, this is the first giveaway. We're going to have 2 more. Let me just shuffle them. This way, we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Streaming daily, Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, live trading, education, and of course, giveaways. That might be the number 2 on yellow. That might be the number 2 on yellow based on the way the paddle is working. You want to catch up on the stream, hitting that live button on your YouTube page. That number 2, the paddle listening, guys. It's having an AI system capturing my voice, and then it's speeding up or breaking exactly on spot. Number 2 right there. The paddle is right below my desk. Congratulations for the winners. Number 2. 30 winners. Ho ho ho, that's not popular, guys. What happened with you? Well, think about it. Out of 30 winners, 2 will actually take account here. Shuffle them. Best of luck, everyone. Out of 30 players, 2 of them will receive accounts. You know, today's trades, we got them on paddle. By the way, it looked like a massive mistake, allowing the trade to go down 4 grand, not closing it. And recovering crazy. On the one we made 6 grand on that account, I said I'm gonna stop trading at 300. And then I reopened trade. That's a mismanagement of my discipline. Gotta be honest with you guys. 3 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up? We got Ali. 198. Ali, congratulations, Ali. But who's the second? Jose Eduardo. And Jimmy the third. Well, you guys gonna be on the list. You guys want to be on the list? Let's just verify if they completed a form. Ali and Jose Eduardo. We've got 220 players out there. Hopefully you guys completed a form. We're verifying that very, very soon. It's loading right now. It is loading right now. There you go. So Ali, Ali 198 right there. You got this one, Ali. And Jose Eduardo, congratulations. Hey. Congratulations, guys. The first ranked is receiving the Sim Pro. The second ranked, the Ignite. Winners, drop me a message on Discord and careful of the scammers. Join our Discord and we're going to take it forward from there. Continuing with the second giveaway, putting together a lovely sequence of numbers. But let me tell you something. Second giveaway will be $50,000 Lucid Pro. Second giveaway, $50,000 Lucid Pro. For those of you that have joined late, like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. At some point today during the stream, we were around 230. Currently sitting on 190. So, let me think about the numbers here. We're going to do 5 zeros and 5 number 7 and then a single number 1. 5 zeros, 5 number 7 and a single number 1. You can start right now. Let's go. Come on. Best of luck, guys. Let's go. That's going to be the combination. 5 zeros, 5 number 7 and a single number 1. Keep it strong. If we got more than 100 winners, that's going to be second round for the duck race with a top 3. Most of the people go with the lucky 7 for some reason. Stop right there. No more guesses, guys. No more guesses. Stop right there. Just put it up in the chat. Once you see my command, it's over. We're going to shuffle this way. The actual number 1 is on the red. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Let's see if we can get single number 1. Let's see if we can get it. No, we're not going to get it. Very unlikely to get it. I think that's going to be the 0 on yellow. I think we passed through the 7 here. We're not going to stop on the red 7. And there you go. You're covered between zeros. That's going to be the number 0 on yellow. Congratulations for winners. Even though a lot of the people went for the number 7. There you go. Congratulations for winners. We got the 0 coming out. Lucky 7 didn't play it out today. $64 winners out there. Competing for an account, 64 winners. You're going to go for a minute. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. How is that even possible, Maddie? I mean, you must be lucky not doing that. You must be so lucky not doing that. The reverse of luckiness. Who's taking this one? $50,000 Lucid account. Lucid Pro account. And the next one is going to be another 50 grand account. 10 seconds to go. 4 seconds. Who's going to speed up? Stephen Benitez. There you go. Stephanie Benitez. There you go, Stephanie. Congratulations. Look at that one. Let's find it out. If you have completed a form, yes, Stephanie Benitez. There you go. Congratulations. Ho, $50,000 Lucid Pro account. God bless you as well. Having a great time. That's a lovely one. Winners, reach out to me on Discord. Getting ready for the last giveaway, another 50 grand account. Third giveaway, 50k IRM. YRM, 50k YRM. Exactly. She said she's going to win today. There you go. Look at the number. She got it. All the blessings. Make sure you take you to the payout. Don't give up. So let me think about the way we organize the numbers here. I saw you guys went for the number 7. We're going to do it this way. We're going to do 10 number 7. And only 4 zeros. And a single number 1. And that's it. You can start right now. 10 number 7, 4 zeros, and a single number 1. Let me see what you got here, guys. 10 number 7, 4 zeros, and a single number 1. If you have more than 100 winners for the wheel, we're doing 2 duck races. Top 3 will qualify for second round. Keep that in mind. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today. And let me tell you something. 99% we're streaming tomorrow. 99%. 99% tomorrow, the giveaway is going to be at least $200,000. Tomorrow is the last day of the year. I'm not going to stream for a long time tomorrow. It's going to be probably a stream of an hour or something like that. Could be a different starting time for the stream tomorrow. And you'll see that on my channel. You'll see that on Discord. We'll have it scheduled up. And keep it in mind, today we're going to post on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to post a video. Stop right there, no more guesses. Who's going for the number 1? Do we have here players going for the number 1? Who is taking that number 1, guys? Come on, let me shuffle this. We're gonna shuffle as long as the number 1 comes on the green. There you go. Came out on the green, number 1. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Come on. This is the last giveaway for today. Now, we're not going to be number 1. And that's going to be the number 7. Congratulations for the winners. 100% sure on that. We don't have zeros in between. We've got actually 4 number 7s connected. There you go, guys. We had 10 number 7, 4 zeros, and a single number 1. Look at that 7, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Good job. I think we're going to have more than 100. I think we're going to have 120 or something like that. 130. Get the paddle ready, guys. We're having a bunch of players here for sure. 89. Oh my god. Only 89. Only 89. That's just crazy. How did you guys give up on your lucky 7? Have you been betrayed earlier? Have you been let down? In the last giveaway? Ho ho! Only 89. That's peanuts. It's not going to be 2 rounds. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Who's going to lead? Who's going to lead? It's important not to be on the screen right now. I got you, Oliver. I got you delivering. Look at that one. You're speeding up. You're speeding up, Oliver, right now. You're on the wrong schedule. Trump is coming from the top. We got a king as well. Muhammad. 6 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. And there you go with a liberty. There you go. Diba. Diba. Are you here, Diba? Let's have a look into Diba. Yes, fully confirmed. Exactly. A single digit. Thank you so much, guys. We got you, Diba. Congratulations. It's been a difficult session out there, but I would say very productive financially. Leonardo, we don't have too much for the third. Other than the best wishes. The best wishes are always there, buddy. The best wishes for the rest of the day. And of course, keep it strong next to us tomorrow, continuing. Like I said, tomorrow minimum $200,000 in giveaways. Minimum. Winners, you got to reach out to me on Discord. Thank you guys for being with us today. We had a lovely time. 7th, same best wishes and good luck next time. Looking forward to it, guys. Keep in mind, we're posting a video today on my channel. Make sure to check that video out and like the video. We're gonna have a great time. Thank you so much, guys. A little bit later, we're gonna post a video, probably in 4 or 5 hours from now. Yes, all the winners, drop me a message on Discord. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely time. Yep. Thank you, Badger, as well. Thank you, guys.